I met a cardiologist who presented me a problem. A lot of patients around Cameroon have to travel to the city to perform an examination of the heart. So he asked me to find a solution for this problem. When you want to develop a solution that depends on technology, you will have many problems. There is no specialist in Africa in the technology, so I had to learn it myself at home using free education program on the web. The second difficulty is the money. So I asked my mother to take a loan to the bank, and then it was very difficult to go from the prototype to the product. It's my philosophy to finish what I start. The rewarding thing was to produce a solution that can improve the life of other person. The CardioPad is a medical mobile device used to perform heart examination and medical data transmission. Using the CardioPad, we can perform a heart examination in a district hospital in a village and send the data to the city where the cardiologist can analyze and give an interpretation. The problem of shortage of specialists is a general problem. So I think the device has the potential to be used all around the world.